This video covers step 5 of 6 of the direct deposit setup process, adding a bank account to your Payor. This is the account that will fund your direct deposit payments to officials. Before starting this step, just make sure your payment account has already been created and verified. If you haven't done that yet, go back to the previous video in this series. To get started, navigate to Financials, then your Payor name. Then select Add Bank Account. You'll see two options for verifying your bank account: Instant Account Verification and Micro Deposit Verification. We'll walk through both, starting with Instant Account Verification. Option 1 is Instant Account Verification. This is the faster option. It verifies your account immediately using your bank login credentials. Think of it like logging into your bank's website directly. To move forward with this option, select Use Instant Account Verification. Next, type a name for your bank account, something that'll help you identify it later. Then select Next Verify Account. Follow the on-screen prompts and select Continue. Then select your bank institution from the list. Select Continue to log in. Then enter the username and password you used to log into your bank's website. Then select Sign In. If prompted for a security code, enter the code that was sent to you and then select Submit. You'll then be shown the accounts associated with that login. Choose which account you'd like to use and select Continue. You'll then land on a confirmation screen. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then select Connect Account Information. Your bank account has now been added by instant verification. If your bank isn't available through the instant verification option, or if you'd prefer not to provide your bank credentials, you can use the micro deposit method instead, which we'll review now. Option 2 is micro deposit verification. This method doesn't require your bank login credentials, but it does take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Instead of logging in, you'll enter your routing and account numbers and will deposit 2 small amounts into your account, which you can then verify. To move forward with this option, navigate back to Financials, then your Payor name, then select Add Bank Account and select Use Micro Deposit Verification. Enter the requested information on screen, so type a name for your bank account, something that'll help you identify it later. Indicate whether the account is a checking or savings account. Enter your bank routing number. This is the 9-digit number that identifies your bank, which you can find on a check or on your bank's website. Then enter your account number in both the account number and confirm account number fields. When you're ready, select Add Account. Once submitted, Assignr will initiate 2 small deposits into your bank account. You'll receive an email notification once those deposits have been made, typically by the next banking day. At that point, navigate back to Financials, then your Payor name, find your bank account, and select the Verify Now link. Enter the 2 amounts that were deposited into your account, then select Submit. Your bank account is now verified, and you're ready for the final step in the direct deposit setup process, activating your direct deposit plan. We'll cover that in the next video.